We're about to cruise again. 8-day Southern Caribbean cruise. Let me show you what I am bringing for it. So each day I just have a packing cube with the date on it, like what day it is, and all the clothes get packed in there. For travel day, I am wearing an Alaska Princess t-shirt and my Traveling Beyond Boundaries hoodie because I find airports very cold, and then a pair of pants, and then just a pair of sandals. So these are the Crocs sandals that I wear 99% of the trip. I find them really comfortable. I brought them on other vacations as well, and they're comfy and durable, and they're not so crocky like regular Crocs. Day one, embarkation day, I have this Living Life One Cruise at a Time shirt. This just matches one that my daughter will wear, and then I'll just wear black capris underneath, which you'll see I do quite often. Day two, I have this t-shirt that just says cruising, cruising, cruising through paradise, and I'll wear that with just some black capris. And the evening is formal. I don't really dress super formal, but I have this t-shirt and dress that actually matches my daughter's, so we will be matchy-matchy that evening. So day three, this is a little hard to see on this color, but I had a tie-dye shirt that I already have, and my friend got me this iron-on transfer, and I was like, oh, I should just put it on there. So a little hard to see without the coloring, but it says making memories one cruise at a time, so this is for day three, and then I just have a pair of black pants. For day four, I have a Traveling Beyond Boundaries t-shirt, nice and wrinkly as you can see, and then just black capris as usual. It's Caribbean night, but I don't have the matching dress that matched my daughter because it was not flattering, so this is what I'll wear for that night too. Day five, I have a matching Cruise Vibes shirt with my daughter, and then just a black pair of capris. Day six, I just have this Perfect Day at Coco Key, fairly worn out shirt, well loved. I tend to wear my shirts all the time, but this is the one I'll be wearing on day six. Day seven, I have this Cruising Through Life One Port at a Time Royal Caribbean shirt, and I have just some black pair of pants. I actually do have pants for this day. I have a couple pairs of pants that I'm bringing, but yeah, so instead of capris, I have that. And then for Dress to Impress night, I have my butterfly dress. This used to be my embarkation dress, and then I switched to a t-shirt just because it was easier, but this is in a lot of my content because I've worn it a lot. So day eight, we're visiting Perfect Day at Coco Keys, so I got the shirt there last time. I'm going to wear it because it cost me like 40 bucks. Get the ship shirts, don't get them on the island. Anyway, have that, and then I just have some black capris to go with it. Day nine, saddest day of them all, disembarkation. I have this Traveling Beyond Boundaries shirt. On the back, it just has like about being a travel agent and stuff. And then I have these like tie-dye capris that I will wear with them. Also for clothes, I am bringing my bathing suit, which is like shorts and a t-shirt kind of style. I prefer that. It keeps me better sun protected. And then I have a pair of shorts that I will wear under my dresses. And if it's really hot out on the days that I have pants, I will throw these on instead. In my suitcase, I have them stacked like this. I thought about stacking them like this, but it actually fits better like this. And the suitcase does close. And then everything else will go in there, plus 2 more packing cubes because I have 2 smaller ones for 2 other days. So that's how I'm packing it up. So some other stuff that I am bringing for myself include my toiletry bag, which I've done a whole video on, so you can go check that out if you're interested. These cute little sandals by Crocs. These are perfect for like the formal wear nights. Just make it a little bit nicer than what I normally wear, and they're so thin and light. They don't take up like any room at all to bring. My Traveling Beyond Boundaries hat. This is like a waterproof case thing for I put my passport in here and my phone and anything essential when we're at like the beach or the pool when we're off the ship. I don't use this when we're on the ship. Sunscreen, we might need to buy some more, but this is almost full. And then I also like these little sunscreen stick things, just make it a little bit easier for like on her face. So bring that. Then a few things I always bring. I bring magnetic hooks, and like there's like a magnetic clip. These are amazing, love them. And then I have like my power adapter thing. I always bring that. And then I have this pump. Usually I use it when I'm doing vacuum sealing like jackets and stuff, but I'm not bringing any jackets this trip. But we have been using it to inflate the bathtub. So I am going to bring it. I have lots of room. I might as well not have to waste my breath on inflating the bathtub. And then I have my little princess bag that I like for in the ship. I put like diapers and wipes in here and just carry that around. And straws. It just makes it a little bit easier to just toss under the stroller instead of needing to carry around a bigger backpack. In my carry-on, I have my scrub a wash bag because you never know, especially after the ordeal we just had with Delta, never know when you're going to get your luggage. So I always have my scrub a wash bag in my carry-on. So if luggage gets lost, I have it, and I also have a change of clothes. And then I also have my cruise luggage tags. I'll print off my cruise tags and put them in here. And these also go in my carry-on just in case something gets lost, one bag gets lost. I still have my luggage tags for any bags that do show up. Also in my carry-on, I have like a electronics bag. It'll have all my cables and chargers and power banks and all those things, and that gets thrown in there. For international flights, I do pack this in my carry-on, but for domestic shorter flights, I do just pack it in my suitcase instead. Prescription medication does go into my carry-on, but the rest of this, I've done a whole video on this, goes into my checked luggage. There we go, all packed, ready to go.